Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by targeting the object and making a copy of its physical material so nothing is lost. Open Vray as the active renderer and launch the material editor. Once done, choose the physical material and prepare to convert it. You do this because Vray materials use different parameters and optimize slots, so converting early prevents surprises. Now create a new Vray material and keep the original side by side for reference, which will speed comparisons during the next steps. Now you transfer texture maps and reconcile parameters. Place the diffuse/albedo into Vray albedo and ensure gamma is correct, because color shifts break realism. Next, plug the roughness or gloss map into Vray's reflection slot. Remember to invert if your engine expects gloss versus roughness. Move normal and displacement maps into Vray's dedicated inputs. This keeps detail consistency. While doing this, compare sliders like metallic, reflectivity, and subsurface to match. You finish by assigning the Vray material and running a quick low-resolution render to evaluate look and noise. Make iterative tweaks, raise reflection subdivisions, or adjust sampling and GI until reflections are clean without overcosting render time. Once satisfied, render a production frame and compare to the original. Make sure to test different lights. Troubleshooting tip. If colors or details look off, check texture gamma, UV channels, and model scale. Incorrect units or wrong map channels are the most common causes and are easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.